best way to carry this. So, you carry it.
All right, this is Thanksgiving 2011. Our first attempt at the fried turkey.
Don't drop it.
Don't drop it in the pool.
That's an 18-pound turkey Tom's has got there.
Double the size of Robbie when he was born.
Now get amazing deals in your inbox for great places to eat, shop, and play. We're all about helping you get the best of your city at even better prices. Find out more and sign up for Google Offers at Google.com.
We're set up by the pool for optimal safety.
It's getting heavy.
Smile, smile.
I bet you couldn't put that turkey on your head.
You can't put your head in that turkey. It's supposed to be scary.
Look your arms, go, go, lift. Bench press, come on.
Flex, put it over your head.
Hold on, let's look at it.
No, it's fine. Alright.
Looks like pee.
You can pull it.
Oh.
Here it comes. Is it gonna go over?
Did you put too much oil?
Put the mid on that hand.
It's gonna be close. It's gonna be close. I think we got it. Perfect.
You'll get burned.
Do you need a glove?
No.
Oh yeah.
It's like a volcano in the middle there.
Actually, I should put the glove on.
Well, better say it's all
At least the pool might taste like turkey.
I know.
There we go.
There we go.